this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the internet browser on your PlayStation 4 operate a little bit quicker. So if we go to the internet browser on our PS4, the reason it's probably going slow is because we have JavaScript enabled. So let's go to a little bit more complicated website, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's go to n4g.com, press R2 and done, and let's go to this website. And usually when I'm at this website, it kind of like lags and stuff whenever I scroll down real quick. So I'm holding down, you can kind of see it's really slow and laggy. So let's press options now on our controller and go up to settings. And we can go to disable JavaScript and go back. Now this website should go a little bit quicker when we go up and down. So you can see the performance is a lot better. But I believe this is going to disable like videos playing in the background or something like that. But if you're just using this to like read news or go to like some sort of website, you should be good to go. So we can even go to Google search and let's just type in Tim. And then under Google search, it looks like we need JavaScript turned on. So we can maybe even try a different website. Let's go to bing.com and see if that works. So you might have to turn it on for specific websites. So let's go to bing.com. But I notice it makes everything run a little bit quicker. See if Bing works. So Bing is awesome. I like Bing. So let's type in good and see if this works under here. And it doesn't look like it's working. So I'll have to turn on JavaScript for some websites, and the other ones I won't need to. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.